Hello po, a blessed PM po sa inyo lahat. So, minutes of regular session of the Sangguniang Barangay of San Vicente Sur, Iriga City, held on December 14, 2023 at the Barangay Session Hall, San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. The session started at 9:45 in the morning by newly elected Punong Barangay Vincent Noel R. Nagrampa as presiding officer. So attendance, all present. Calendar of business. Call to order 9:47 a.m. The presiding officer PB Vincent Noel R. Nagrampa called the barangay secretary Sheila Labis Tanay to lead the opening prayer and SK chairperson Honorable Erica V. Molina to lead the national anthem. Secretary Sheila L. Tanay read the previous minutes of the first session of the Sangguniang Barangay of San Vicente Sur, Iriga City. PB Nagrampa asked question if there is any objection, clarification, and suggestion from previous minutes of the first regular session. So, SBM Dionisio D. Nacario clarified appointment of Barangay Tanod, Shara May Ramirez is the daughter-in-law of Claro Orsini. PB Nagrampa said that Shara May will be at day shift and Claro Orsini at the night shift. PB asked the body for if there is any objection for the appointment of Shara May Ramirez and Claro Orsini, no objection from the body. SBM Ronel Mendoza request for at least 2 sige na tanods during Sundays doon. PB Nagrampa agreed with the request of SBM Mendoza. SBM Dennis T. S. Toralio request to the additional at least 1 tanod duty every Tuesday. May der sa tumagang ko computer doon. So, SBM Ronel Mendoza request at least 2 tanods during Sunday. PB Nagrampa agreed with the request of SBM Mendoza. Oh.
Ako ko sa pigaan na ito.
Isa. Isa.
So mga sa ako.
Maray nga agko ko xerox sa to kay Ate Mir. Amo sa nanto kinuha ko, di ko na anapan.
Uda.
Di ko na anapan so so clear copy.
Sabi man sa natin sa akon baga.
Ano ba ganapin ko ganto?
Uta kinaptang ko pa ay sorry.
Yes.
Kinaptang ko na ito.
Ida sa di.
So kuha, so kukuha ni Crystalline na ito sa
PB
butcher
asked the
sa
body if there is any objection for the previous minutes on December 1,
bigay ano to sa di?
session.
Sadi ko naman sa butcher.
Baka kaya na ako ni ko.